Welcome in Module Introduction to Knowledge, Basic and Intermediate Practice of Microsoft Excel by Edumatech. Short description. This training is great for you to learn Microsoft Excel in very fast, and you will understand a lot with some examples, case study, and we will help you step by step systematically. You will also know how to use its application for personal and business purpose. It will make your performance in Microsoft Excel processing become better, smarter, and faster. Make your results is remarkable to your manager and help him in making decisions. In point of view manager, you may frustrate when your team has some weakness in data processing and analysis using Microsoft Excel. So, it is very recommended to have your team joining this e-learning to gain what you expect to help you in decision making. Learning objectives. To provide knowledge and basic practice how to use Excel and its application in office and business. To ensure participants know how to use the basic menus and shortcut keyboard. To ensure participants are able to operate the most functions, create a database, develop a summary table, use some formulas, if, sum if, VLOOKUP and others, and create some charts for business presentation. To prepare your team with excellent skill in making a report, structured table, database, data analysis to help you in decision making. Please attention to bring and take some notes to write in the information as you think important.